they provide you with screws. So how these work is you place the screws pointing downward and then you drill it in. You got your solar panel on the top here. Make sure you remove the plastic film or that will bake in. There you got your lights, LEDs underneath here. Before you put this on, make sure you twist it and turn it to the on position, depending on what you want. If you want it white, if you want it warm. So if you want it warm, you leave it this way. And you can test the colors out by just covering the panel with your hand because it is light activated. So as it gets darker, they automatically turn on. So if you want them white or warm, you just turn it, slide it back in like this, line it up, boom. It's very simple and very easy. Now you don't have to line these up on a perfect fence post. You can actually put these however you want. So if you got a wooden deck and you don't got a post where this will just kind of like slide in, let me show you how that works. So you place it at an angle like this and you line it up where you want it. So for me, what we're going to do is we're going to apply pressure up while we're pushing in. And you can screw it in like that. Now, if you want it to match up better, what you can do is just paint the screw black. And if you paint it black, then it's going to blend way better. So, and then you just go all around through the holes and put them in like that. And then again, just paint the heads of the screws black to match. And for those wondering, so we only put one screw in and you can see that screw's holding. We just got to put, I think we only need two, so we're going to put another one on the other side and that will hold it.